Understanding Wind Damage, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, wind damage. This term is commonly used in weather reports, insurance policies, and everyday conversation, especially in areas prone to strong winds. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you comprehend news and discussions about weather-related events. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase, wind damage. This phrase is a combination of two words, wind and damage. Wind refers to the natural movement of air, especially when it moves strongly or rapidly. On the other hand, damage means harm or injury to property or a person. When these two words come together, they describe the harm or destruction caused specifically by wind. To better understand wind damage, let's look at some real-world examples. Wind damage can occur during storms, hurricanes, or even strong gusts on a seemingly calm day. It can include uprooted trees, torn-off roof shingles, broken windows, toppled power lines, destroyed homes or buildings. These examples help illustrate the potential severity and impact of wind damage. Now, let's see how to use wind damage in sentences. This will help you in both understanding and communicating about weather-related incidents. For instance, the hurricane caused significant wind damage in the coastal area. We need to inspect our roof for any wind damage after the storm last night. Insurance companies often assess wind damage after natural disasters. Using the phrase in different contexts like this will improve your fluency and comprehension. To expand your vocabulary further, let's look at some related phrases. Storm damage. This is a broader term that includes all types of damage caused by a storm, including wind, rain, hail, and more. Windstorm. A storm with high winds and little to no precipitation. Gale force winds. This describes very strong winds, often causing damage. Understanding these related terms can provide a more comprehensive grasp of weather-related language. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of wind damage. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a key part of mastering the English language, especially when it comes to terms that are frequently used in news and daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more language learning content. Stay curious and keep learning.